Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about web hosting and templates. Now, first of all, web hosting is a service that is provided by a company to rent a server, and you can put your website in there. They also provide a registered domain name, so you can register a name for your website, .com or .net. And a good example and one of the most famous web hosting services is GoDaddy.com, which is this one here. As you can see, you can start searching here if the domain that you want. For example, let's say I want newweb.com. I want to call my website newweb.com. So I click go, and it will check me automatically if already exists that name. Okay, and as you see here, newweb.com is already taken. Okay, so you have to go back and search for another name for it. Now, this GoDaddy.com is one of the most famous and popular web service hosting, as I told you before, but you have tons of other cool and good web hosting services. One that I use, which is very cool for simple websites, is Freehostia, and as you register and have a login with they will give you a name and a login to control your server to upload the files of the website. You log in. I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to show you this example, which is for a website that I have. Now I log in, and I have all these management graphic icons here to control the server. Now the server is whatever it is. I don't know what it is, where it is, sorry. But I can control it, and basically I can create a MySQL database in it, FTP accounts. Now it depends on how much you pay for the package. Now when you register for a web hosting service, they will give you different packages and will give you different features for each package. And obviously the most expensive packages have the most of the features. But if you are creating a simple static website without much traffic, I recommend you Freehostia, which has a very low price. I can tell you that you can pay $9 per year, okay, just for have a website on Freehostia, which is pretty cool. Now, if you go to files, I have here file manager. Sorry, here. If I click there, these icons and that control panel is pretty similar for the other web hosting services. Okay, so don't be scared, because in GoDaddy it is pretty similar. Now, you see that I have here my onclickacademy.com folder, and if I open it, you'll find all my HTML files or PHP files in there. Okay, so basically you can create the website on your computer, and as soon as you have your website ready, you can register in a web hosting service, and then you can control or upload whatever files or the whole folder to the website or the web hosting service. Okay, guys, so this is how you can put your website online. And now I'm going to talk to you about templates. Templates are this is a website that provides templates. Some are for free, but others you have to pay for it. Templates are basically developers that create HTML files and CSS files to create a cool website. Okay, they will not have any content on it, only the style. Okay, so only the colors, everything like pictures, content, text, and all that, you have to put it on your own. But everything else is ready for you to use and to create your own website. So basically, they will create the CSS and the HTML for you, and then you only have to put the content on it. This is what is templates called, and you have website templates here, Flash templates, Flash intro templates. CMS are content management system, which is the WordPress. I'm sure you already heard about it. I'm gonna cover CMSs and WordPress in my next course, which is already in development, which will be called Become a Web Developer from Scratch Advanced Programming. Hopefully it will be ready at the end of this year. And okay, this is what templates is. If you have any questions at all, just send me a message. Okay, and see you guys in the next chapter.